Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy steak breakfast, and I'll be using my new Ninja Foodi grill. I am so excited that I finally have this grill. Shout out to Ninja for sending this to me. This is not a sponsored video, but it was a gift. All right, so let me show you how to make this yummy breakfast. Oh wait, first of all, are you subscribed yet? No? Why not? Go ahead and click on subscribe, tap that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, back to these steaks. So I've got a couple New York strip steaks, and I've poured a little bit of liquid smoke and spread it on top just to give a little, barbecue grill flavor. And I'm seasoning the steaks with some granulated onion, granulated garlic, some Montreal steak seasoning, and then I'm just gonna push that into the steaks. And then I did go ahead and add a little kosher salt. And then I flipped the steaks over and I added some what's this here sauce, followed by the onion, garlic, steak seasoning, and the oh gosh, what was it? Kosher salt. Now my grill comes with the temperature probe. I am aware that there is another model that does not have the temperature probe, but I'm inserting the probe into the center of my steak. And I'm going to preheat the grill. I'm setting it to grill on high, and then I'm going to set the temperature for the probe, and I'm going to set it at 140 degrees because I do like my steaks to be medium. And I'm just going to let the grill preheat. Takes about 8 minutes, and then once it's preheated, it will say add food. And now I'm going to add in one of the steaks because I'm only cooking one. So be careful. I have burned myself on those handles more than once. It is hot in there. So anyways, got the steak in there, making sure the temperature probe is secure. Gonna close the lid, and I'm gonna let it do its thing. It's gonna monitor the temperature of the steak and let me know when it's done. So after it cooked for a little bit, I decided to turn it over because I did want some grill marks on both sides. So here's what the steak is looking like so far. And once the steak was done cooking, the Ninja did shut off automatically. I did check the temp. Beef has been a little bit off, but I just cooked it a couple extra minutes and this is what it looked like. So I set that to the side and I was like, let me turn this into a whole breakfast. So I took the grill plate out and I added in some shredded hash browns. Now I'm doing this directly in the cooking pan, and I added the potatoes to the fat left over from the steak, and I set the Ninja to air crisp, and I decided to just go ahead and cook them up that way just to see what happens. I'm playing around. I did not know what was going to happen, how it would cook, but so far so good. Seasoned the potatoes with some salt and pepper, and then I was like, let me add some eggs. Let me see if it can cook some eggs. So I threw in a couple eggs, and here's what it's looking like. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. We got some air fryer hash browns, some air fryer sunny side up eggs. Now, eggs take about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on how you like them done. They were actually done a couple minutes before the potatoes, so I should have added them a little bit later. But hey, I'm learning right along with you guys. So I did remove the eggs and I let the potatoes cook for a couple more minutes. And once they were done, I plated it up, and this was my breakfast. Oh my gosh, so good. I was so excited about this meal. So what do you guys think? Did you like it? Well, if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you're here and you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell. Come on, you guys. I'm trying to get to 10K. Help a sister out. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.